Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unpackage and review a cable that I purchased on AliExpress from a brand that we now know quite well here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel called Toocki. I'm pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. It should be Toocki. So if you think that it's pronounced differently, do let us know how it's pronounced in the comment section below. And as with many Toocki products, it comes in a little Ziploc bag that contains the product. In this case, it's a 2-meter cable, USB Type C to USB Type C, and you can see that there's Toocki branding on the cable tidy here. It's a Velcro cable tidy and a braided cable, so it should be quite good for packing away in a bag. It's less likely to get tangled and messed up. Now, one side with, again, Toocki branding is pretty clear, plastic, black cable. It is also available in other colours, but I opted in this case for black, and that white branding really does stand out on it. And it's a USB Type C cable with an orange plastic lining on the inside. So this is usually indicative of a fast charging cable, which you can use to fast charge your devices. Now the other side is quite fun. It's USB Type C as well, orange finish at the top there, and it has a little display, and it also says 100 watts, because this is a 100 watt capable USB Type C power delivery cable, which means that if I plug it into, for example, my VoltMe 140 watts USB Type C charger, it should charge devices that are compatible with that. So let's see what happens when I plug it in and then plug it into, in this case, my Google Pixel 7a. So you'll see that I have the 2-day case on this phone. You'll see that it immediately pops up with a display showing you the state of charge of the phone. Now this phone is pretty much fully charged. It's 92% charged, so it won't pull a lot of power. You see it's bouncing around the 10 watt mark here, between 8 and 12 watts, depending on what's happening on the device. So it seems to be working as expected here. We've got that cable plugged in, and it's charging the device as well as showing you how much power is going through it. Now, if we check the Google Pixel 7a, when we switch it on, it does say that it's charging rapidly. Now, the Google Pixel 7a is capable of charging at 20 watts, so not the fastest of phones to charge with, but definitely a decent one. And then over here we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is currently has the case that I unboxed and reviewed yesterday here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Let's see how that performs when plugged in with the Toocki cable. Now it's definitely charging. We get the charge symbol on the battery element, and it's only saying that it's charging at 3-4 watts. It may take a while to get going. iPhones are not the fastest devices to charge, so even though you are spending in excess of £1,100 or $1,100 US on a phone, it still charges at around about the same speed as the Google Pixel 7a does. So good to see it works with the iPhone as well. Good thing that the iPhone switched over to USB Type C. And let's just try out another device, in this case my Google Chromebook or Lenovo Chromebook Duet tablet Chromebook. And this is a device that can take a much bigger charge, and you see it's already jumped up to 22 watts. Let's see if I pop the screen on and it starts going up to 23. So that's a decent amount of power going through it. And as I said, it is capable of carrying up to 100 watts. So provided you have the appropriate device that can take that power, this should do the job. And as with other Toocki products, I have to say the finish is decent. I've had no issues with them whatsoever. And they seem to work with all my devices. Though devices such as Honor smartphones tend not to take the full speed that they could take. In this case, the Honor 90 should be able to carry 66 watts, but it seems to be stuck at 2. Maybe if I switch it on, we'll get something out of it, more than the 2 watts that are there. But no, it is a different standard. The Honor devices, just like the Huawei devices of old, take a much higher charge, but they also require a higher amperage. But this Toocki cable, as it comes out of the box, seems to do the job for me. So I'm quite happy with that. Right then, so if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you would like to ask us any further questions or check out how we're getting on after we've published this video, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if the question we believe is relevant or worthy of a follow-up video, we'll do that, or maybe even a YouTube short. So, as I said, please do leave us a comment in the section below if you'd like to know more. But for now, I think we'll wrap this video up. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories such as cables, and fashion items, essentially anything we think makes the travel experience better. And as usual, I will leave a link in the description to where you can buy this Toocki cable from AliExpress. If you do purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. It is an affiliate link. And as usual, we will benefit from that. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.